Hey, my friends. The noise that's in society today is quite alarming regarding finances. Don't feed into it. Slow down and find that person that you can talk to that has excellent money management skills and strategize for the long haul through these cyclical times. These aren't extraordinary times unless we buy into the fear that the media dispenses. The people who are financially secure, they know how to navigate these waters. Find that trusted person. And if you can't, then call me. And you can be amazed in a few-minute phone call how a life can change. David Jones, 919-872-6110.